Hello friends, my name is Gangothri. I am studying in 7th standard in Government Higher Primary School, Makanahalli.
Hi, hello friends. My name is Pramod. I am studying 3rd standard in Government Higher Primary School, Makanahalli.
Today I am going to do a wireless notice board used on Bluetooth. A Bluetooth wireless notice board used an Arduino microcontroller. A Bluetooth model like HC05 and a display LCD or LED matrix. First I am going to explain the equipment for this project. This is a LCD display.
This is a LCD display.
This is a Unoboard.
This is Unoboard.
This is a Bluetooth sensor.
This is a Bluetooth sensor.
This is a jumper wires.
This is a jumper wires.
This is a battery.
This is a battery.
This is a phone.
This is a phone.
When I fix the wires, LCD display go to Unoboard. GND go to GND. VCC go to VIN. SDA go to A4. SDR go to A5. Bluetooth control go to Unoboard. TXT go to RX. TXT go to RX. GND go to GND. VCC go to 5D. My project is done when I put the battery. Wireless notice board ready. You go to Bluetooth and go to Bluetooth. And you can select HC05. And you can download Arduino Bluetooth box code and go to Arduino Bluetooth box code. You can go this and select HC05. It is connecting. You go terminal.